fuck are you doing? You wanna see something cool, cat? So right now I'm on my way to go to Walmart to try and find... I was watching Duo with Dan videos. Like his old Cooking with Dan that he never does anymore. And he was making the... I don't know what it is. The burrito, taco, shit, whatever. And he was using the fajita seasoning. And I don't know, just I really wanted to try it after I saw him do it. So I'm on my way to Walmart right now at fucking 1:34 in the afternoon to try and find fajita seasoning, because it just made me that hungry and I want to make fajitas. Fajita, burrito, taquito, I don't know. And it is supposed to rain later. Hello, FedEx. Hopefully it doesn't, because I don't want to get stuck out on this. Now, I always take back roads. One, because why not? It's more fun. Two, I don't like highways that much. I just like, you know, if I get on, fucking pelt it to 80 and jump off at the next exit. That's what I like for the highways. But also, I have no windscreen and I'm only on a 500. So it doesn't do that great, you know, on the highway for commuting and stuff. Plus, with this highway, they fucked it all up. They completely fucking destroyed this highway, trying to make it lighter on traffic, but it's been like this for years. They completely fucked this whole thing up. Like, to the point where I don't even know what lane I'm in. I know that's where I used to be, and that's where I'm going. If I'm in the wrong lane, fucking pull me over, I don't care. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. And everybody probably thinks I'm crazy for making all these fucking hand motions. Ooh, what am I talking about? I don't know. I'm gonna take the shortcut and go through the different universe. This corner sucks too. They come barreling down this fucking hill on the opposite side of the road. So I'm gonna stay. See? They come barreling around this. Yeah, the speed limit is 40. I'm doing 44 right now, and it's fast for me. Let alone a fucking dump truck or something. Highway. Oh, thanks for the blinker. You're great. Thank you. Yeah, see, door's still open. What the fuck is going on here? These roads also suck major dick. They've got more stop signs than I've ever fucking seen. Where are you going? Going that way? Oh great, they got construction work in here too. It's fantastic. I don't even know how to describe it, dude. It's that, like, different to me. Everybody says, oh, it's just no different. It's like you driving into your hometown. But it's just slightly different. And I'm not even going to get annoyed at people pulling out in front of me or, like, not running the stop sign like that. Because that's just what they all do. get hit by a bus, this is fantastic. Oh, fantastic. Now the light's done too. Let's pull on out of here, right? There's just weird things that make you question why. We're not here to judge, we're just here to ask why. And to be honest, I got no fucking clue. Like, why is there a shopping cart? There's just so much shit nowadays that just, it makes you question why, how, and who the hell. Also, seemingly, people around me aren't good drivers. Can you tell? Ow. Look at all this fucking trash everywhere. I live in a real great place, don't I? It's fantastic, isn't it? Oh well. Out of every place I would have thought to have the seasoning. Come on now. I thought Walmart would have had it. They don't. So that's a dud. I had somewhere else I was gonna go, but I completely forgot where. And I heard Snapchat go off, but I don't have time to check that right now. Kind of a little preoccupied. Occupado. I 100% have no fucking clue what I meant to do today besides this. I don't know. What was I supposed to do? I don't remember. I got an itchy ear. Oh, that hurt. I just jammed my fucking glove up behind my ear. I just stuffed this fat finger right up behind my ear holes. And I scratched the shit out of it and it felt so nice. Stop vibrating. We had a car fire there. The fucking pickup truck just burst into flames. I'll see if I can find the video of that.
Oh, it's right there. It's off the road there. What the fuck? It's a bus. It's a bus on fire. Bus is on fire.
Come on, Edward.
I'm gonna turn around.
I'm just getting some good footage for Kevin.
That's a bus fire.
Ooh.
That motherfucker's smoky. You know what? You're gonna fucking lead, asshole.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't know what happened, but that thing just fucking melted. Ford problems. And I can say Ford problems because one, I own one, and two, it was an F-150 that burst into flames. Why am I so itchy today? Holy shit! As well as it gives me something to upload because I'm running out of shit and I don't feel like editing stuff from 2-3 years ago. Holy shit. I recorded stuff and never edited it 2 to 3 years ago, and I still remember bits and pieces of what I had in mind and what I wanted to do with it because I thought I would have been funny. Look at Harley, let's see if he waves. Hey, dude, I like you. You're a good guy. We have that little Putzer 500 fart cam machine. I respect you. And I see this fucking spider thing here all the time. And it looks like a giant fucking couch, but it's cool. So yes, I am very, very easily amused. Dirty jokes, stupid jokes, dad jokes, you know, all of them, they all get me. Just, you know, it's kind of funny, but it is whatever it is at this point. But I'm not going to show you my friend's house, so I'm going. Oh God!